Hello everyone. In this session, let us look at the tree set. Tree set is an important implementation of sorted set interface. It is a sorted type of set, very similar to hash set, but the difference is it is an ordered collection and elements are sorted in the ascending order by default. So inside a tree set, when we add the elements, those are automatically sorted in the ascending order. So let us create an object of tree set. Let us use the set interface to create the object. Say string set1 is equal to new tree set. Import the tree set and import the set interface. Now to create the object of a set, you can use the var keyword if you are using Java 10, or you can use the particular reference type like tree set, or you can use the set interface because it is the parent interface. So you can choose any of the ways. Now let us add some elements to the set. Let us say I want to add some names. So we have added 4 items: Rob, Bob, Andy and Charles, and let us simply display the set over here. So in this case we will see 4 elements in the list, but those will be sorted automatically in the ascending order. So when we look at the output, the set is automatically sorted, so A, B, C and R. Let's add some other elements. Let's create another set. Say set2 is equal to new tree set which holds integer, and let's quickly add some integer values. So we have added some random integer values, and let us also display the set2. So in this case we can expect the set2 also get sorted in the ascending order by default. So that is the main difference in between the hash set and tree set. In case of hash set, it is not an ordered collection. In case of tree set, it is an ordered collection, but it is ordered in the sorted fashion. It sorts the elements automatically in the ascending order. Other than that, all methods are same: add, remove, clear, contains, very same to what we have seen in the hash set. And union and intersection methods are similar. Converting to list is also similar. Okay, so this is about the hash set, linked hash set and tree set in Java, and this is also an interview question.